to the channel. This is Crystal right here. Still working on taming with her. She is still a little bit wild. Kai's right there. What's up, big boss? What's up, big boss? Kai. Oh, he's scared of the camera. Okay. There's Stormy and Kai, the two girls. I mean, not Stormy and Kai, Stormy and Crystal. Crystal's right there. She's kind of cute. She's gray, black, white, and blue. Kai. Come here, bird. Oh, there he goes. Okay, guys, yeah. That's Crystal. She is, of what I think, she is about 2-3 months old, I would say. I think she's about 2-3 months old. And, yeah. I originally wasn't really planning on getting her being the nicest bird ever. But I wouldn't mind having a nice female budgie. I was just wanting her to mate with him, but that's still going to be about a year. But it'll be worth it. There was another female there that I would have only had to wait like maybe 4 or 5 months for her to mate with Kai, but she was mostly blue and had some white in her, but not very much. They're going to have a lot prettier babies than if I was with the blue one. So, yeah. You guys can look forward in about a year, maybe a little bit less than that, for me having a baby budgie video. Hopefully that'll work out. And, yeah. And, yeah. He's up there on the swing right now, being cute. Yeah, but she will fly to me if I have some millet. Millet is literally her lifeblood and stuff. Okay, yeah. And yeah, guys, thank you for watching this video on Crystal. I will give you some more updates on her in the future. And until next time, guys, always stay flying high. Bye!